Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Dev.to, share and read developer articles step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Dev.to and press enter. Wait for the Dev.to homepage to load completely. On the top right corner of the homepage, locate the Login button. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see options to log in using various methods. If you already have an account, you can choose to log in with GitHub, Facebook, or Twitter. Select the social media option you used for registration. Authorize Dev.to to access your account by following the prompts. If you prefer logging in with an email, enter your email address in the provided field. Click on Next after entering your email. Check your email for a one-time login link from Dev.to. Open the email and click on the login link. This will redirect you back to Dev.to. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Dev.to dashboard. From your dashboard, you can now read articles or share your own. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.